I went to the thrift store just to get a basket and I found myself with this one here and it is huge. All I paid was $2.99. I am going to be taking it home and then I'm going to start decorating it. I took several wipes and I wiped the entire basket, and then once that was done, then I have some floral foam. Actually, this is not even floral foam. This is something that I purchased at Amazon, and that foam, I never throw it out. I usually use it for the floral because if I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree, I'm going to be spending some money. Why do that? And of course, you know, this channel is all about saving money, so that's what I did. I also have these little bunny ears. I purchased this at Walmart last year and they were on sale. I paid for these bunny ears, I think it was like $1, a little bit more than $1. I like to purchase my items when the season is over, and then I have for next year when the season comes around again. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these bunny ears. I cut the stem out by like half, and then I'm gonna be placing it right here as you see and using some pipe cleaners to tie it. And then the rest, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off, the excess, and then I'm gonna be creating a ball, well actually the bunny tail. And all I did was take some of the fabric that I had left over and a foam ball, and with plenty of hot glue, all I'm doing is just creating that fuzzy tail. So now the fuzzy tail is completely covered with that fabric, so it looks like a tail. And now with a lot of hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right on this corner. So I went into my spring floral bin and I pulled out a bunch of flowers, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start placing them wherever I think it looks beautiful. I have a question. What colors do you guys like to decorate for spring? Meaning what kind of floral? And I think that if you've been watching my videos and you follow me, you know that I like my pinks and my purple and white. I just love it. Okay, I added all the floral inside the basket. Wait till you see it. And then I have this little word hop painted in black off camera. I took this little plaque. I got this from Dollar Tree, but that was in the bottom of my stash. I haven't seen these lately in my store. Now with a lot of hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right up here. And then this is it, my dear friends. I am so in love with this. Here's the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it.
It's a crafty kind of day. If you like what you see, give a big thumbs up and click subscribe. It's free. Yup, so grab your glue and stay a while. We're bringing that crafty Dollar Tree style.
How many of you go to Dollar General to purchase items? Well, I purchased these and it had 8 of them for $1. Thought it was such a bargain. Have never seen these before. And of course, I went to the dollar store as well and I purchased these napkin rings, and I'm going to be gluing one bunny rabbit on each ring. And then I'm going to be using some adhesive and some hot glue. And I'm going to be doing that with 6 of them. Once it's done, I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to use some metallic gold spray paint from Rustic. I'm going to paint all 6 of them. So now they are all painted and dry. I'm going to take some of this black chalk paint and I am going to start painting them, and then with a wipey I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna wipe them off just to give it that nice detail. Today I'm partnering up with my dear friend May from Craft Away with May, along with Loli from Loli This Creation, and Lovely Moments Creating with Jenny. We are crafting beautiful spring decor. I'll have the links directly to their channels down in my description box so you can check it out and get inspired. After watching this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your loved ones so they can also be inspired too. And coming back to this simple project, my dear friends, here is how it turned out. I hope you enjoy this one.
So grab your glue and stay a while. We're bringing that crafty Dollar Tree style. More fun ahead. So don't you blink and let us know what
I went to this restaurant to eat some tacos and I spotted some beautiful bottles by the bar, and I approached the bartender and I said, "What do you do with the empty bottles?" And he said, "We sell them for $5. So I purchased this one. I took it home, I cleaned it inside and out, and now I'm gonna go ahead and take out all these stickers. Once all the stickers were removed, then I took some white linen chalk paint along with some black chalk paint and I mixed it just to get that beautiful gray color. But before I mixed it, I started to paint it with the linen white chalk paint and then I said, no, I don't want it white. I'm gonna go ahead, stop what I'm doing and then mix the linen white chalk paint along with a couple of drops of black chalk paint, and then I got this beautiful gray color, and that is one of my favorite colors as well. Once the bottle was nice and dry, I also went to Dollar General and I purchased these mirror tiles. I cut a strip and then I'm just gonna go ahead and add them right here on the opening of the bottle. Only one strip just to make it look nice and elegant. And then you could just go ahead and display this bottle as you please, either alone or adding a flower on top or whatever you feel like it. And here is the way that I decorated. I hope you enjoy this one.
Oh, grab your glue, light up the cheer.
I decided that I wanted to go to the Dollar Tree because I was a little bored. And I'm like, let me see what I find because I have something in mind. And of course, these are fish bowls. So I purchased this one along with some Spanish moss. And then I have more floral. And last year, they had some bunny rabbit heads. I went on and I purchased it. So this is the floral that I'm going to be adding inside. And again, you know that I like purple. So we're staying with the purple colors, purple, white, and pink. And these are the little heads that I found. They're two for $125. I'm going to be taking all the labels out. And this little bowl, I wasn't a fan of it. So I did a purple polka dot bow, as you can see. I added some hot glue and then I'm going to go ahead and add this right in here. And this is it, my dear friends. Look at how beautiful and simple.
Every angle shows a side. In the morning, soft and hoary, where my truths cannot hide. I'm learning what it means to see all the parts that make up me.
And in those many times that I've been to Dollar General, look what I purchased. I purchased these beautiful bunnies. I paid $1. So I purchased several, but I'm going to be using these three. I also took the word hop with these wood letters. These are also from Dollar Tree. I painted them in white and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue them right on top of each bunny. And my friends, a friendly reminder, the links directly to their channels, May, Loli, and Jenny, I'm going to be leaving down in the description box for your convenience. Please make sure to visit them, give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. Also, let them know that I send you. At this point was when my camera stopped recording because it died and I was not aware. But all I did was take this piece of wood, paint it with this chalk paint, linen white chalk paint. I took all three bunnies and I glued them on top. And then that was it. Here is the final review, my dear friends. I hope that you enjoyed this one. This was nice and simple yet beautiful.
Looking through the surface of what I display, every single version or role that I play. People double tap, but they look away.
And here we go with another Dollar General project. This also cost me $1. And this is a garland. Look at how gorgeous. Well, I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to be removing the tails. And I'm going to do that to all three of them. And then once they are removed, I sand it just to make sure that the paint will adhere better. And then I'm going to be using some melted chocolate acrylic paint along with some khaki paint. I'll be painting two of them with the melted chocolate and one with the khaki color. But before I do that, I took out my little spackle from Dollar Tree. As you can tell, it's all dry, but I'm gonna just go ahead and cover these little two holes that are here on top of the bunny. I'm gonna do that to all three of them. And now it's time to paint them. Like I said, I'm gonna paint one with the khaki color. This khaki color is so pretty. I bought me several bottles of them and I already ran out. And then the melted chocolate, that's another color that I really do enjoy crafting. starting with. With this one, I did 2 of them. And then this little plaque from Dollar Tree, of course, I added this little wood round right up here just to make it look more classier. And once I am done fixing it, then with some hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and start gluing the bunny rabbits on top of that plaque. And this is nice and simple, yet it's so beautiful. I've seen this with other creators, but I thought that it looks so cute that I want one for myself, and this is what I did. So once I place all 3 bunny rabbits on top of that plaque, I'm gonna come in with the same little furry tail, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hot glue them on each of those bunny rabbits. And here we are, my dear friends. This is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end. And you might think that you are subscribed to this channel, so why don't you check if you are subscribed or not? And if you're not, go ahead and hit that red button and become part of our family. Thank you so much, and let me know in the comments section which of these projects was your favorite. Here's the final review, my dear friends. I hope you enjoy it.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.